This is turmeric, and it has been gone for processing. The first step is the cleaning of the kernels. Then these are cut into small slices so that it can dry out in sunlight very soon. After these small pieces get dried, they will be taken for processing to make them powder. So there is still more to be cut. This is a typical Nepali culture, growing all the spices required for the home. She is my mother and she is my wife. They are enjoying it. And it is one of the medicinal product. It is known as besar in Nepali, haldu in Nepali. See, the immunity power of the Nepalese is strong because of this product. And this culture is very easy culture. It is better to consume the traditional local items than a commercial product or allopathic medicines.